Are you going to wind your window up? What if you get splashed?
I'm alright.
See, look at that.
A few people are turning around.
Yeah, my car would not make it through there.
Oh, yeah, look, Drury Tires is freaking well and truly hit. Look over this side too.
Oh, Tanya's calling.
That's alright. Just keep it down.
To answer the call, press the pickup button.
I don't think my dad's gonna make it through here. Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm around the back of our shop. You can see how fast the river is moving. It is insane. Look at that. Here's two of our compressors. I'd say both of those are over now. So yeah, a fair bit of damage. Okay, Drury Tires is underwater. So I suppose we'll be closed for business today, unfortunately. Sorry folks. Okay, she's a bit of a mess down here. Looks like the water got right up over here. Would have wrecked that special backup box. A couple of fans down there. All the paperwork that was in these. Looks like the water came up to here by the looks. Yeah, there's water in there. Business cards all wrecked. Tool rolls. All our stationery is all wrecked. Another heater down there. Another power pack underwater down there. Obviously the carpets are wrecked. Shucks. What's in here? Oh. So it's a bit of a clean up today. Oh, yeah. Oh, you can see the water line. There's the water line there, so it got up quite high. Hopefully the balance is okay. All these tools, torch. Fan down there. Special impact power hoist generator. Oh shit, that's our automatic transmission, and it looks like it's dumped oil, so I've got to tip that up. That's not good for the environment. Oh, no. And she's dumped oil all right, but hard to catch it. Oh, Makita power tool there. All our rags. Generator's gone underwater. So I'd say that'll be stuffed as well. Bit of a clean up now. Operation clean up.
Howdy.
Like get a fucking hoist sooner than you think. That alignment machine?
Yeah, because the pallet would have been covered going to the recording. No, right there. Pretty close to.
Yep. That went over, the carpets and that'll be no good.
You gotta look at the key lift.
All our thing.
But hopefully he gets a call tomorrow and
Hayton, can you please explain?
Oh, no.
I don't have to explain
come
it.
on.
Just watch it here.
Watch it here? Oh, you videoed it.
Where's your neighbour? Is he still in Carmen?
Yeah.
I'm going back to the society.
No, it was on my voice.
Okay, cool. So that's Jen. That must have been there already.
Wow.
So that's when I wake up.
Yep.
See the
Oh, it's inside the
water
caravan.
getting
Inside.
inside. That's 12, around 12 a.m.
So inside the caravan.
Yeah.
No,
Getting
Oh, you got bare feet.
another hour.
Thanks for lunch.
No worries, Paul.
Did you talk to you? Hey, did you talk to you? Yep.
Yeah.
Maybe you can do it again, though. Where is it? This one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wow.
So the water is really high now. That's why I get up. And Warren is staying here beside this. I told him get out of there because if the water is go high, he can't go outside anymore.
So what time is this?
This one is around 2
2 in the morning.
in the morning. So I just watching the shop. But policeman talked to me. He said you can't stay there. So he wants me to go to Pokecoid a gym.
Oh, right.
I did not go there. I just watched the art shop.
Oh. Scary, eh? Was it scary?
It's scary. The water's here, and I'm taking my stuff in the caravan to my car over there on the street. This water, it's not like that.
Oh, there's our new balancer. There's the old alignment machine, all water sodden. These guys are fitting on the new John Bean, new boxes. Paul's gone and sorting out all the computers. Sam's hard at work. There's one of our old balancers there, all wrecked and sodden. A couple of our tire machines. These guys here have done this for free for us. So yeah.